A verb phrase is a combination of an auxiliary verb, also known as a helping verb, and a main verb. Different combinations of verb phrases. 2 verbs equals auxiliary verb main verb. 3 verbs equals 2 auxiliary verb main verb. 4 verbs equals 3 auxiliary verb main verb. I have written this post for you. I'll have been writing this post for you. She might have been sleeping. Here are some more examples of verb phrases. 1. Eat quickly. 2. Write with precision. 3. Run around the corner. 4. Sing in harmony. 5. Think carefully. 6. Drive slowly. 7. Read aloud. 8. Walk into the room. 9. Talk on the phone. 10. Work together. Adapt to changing circumstances. Address the issue directly. Administer first aid. Advance in your career. Advocate for a cause. Answer the question honestly. I hope you will like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe.